Hi, this is Michelle Roebuck, and I want to thank you for watching this video on the multiple income funnel review and update. And I want you to stick around to the end of this video because I have a special bonus for those who get involved with me in multiple income funnel, and also another additional bonus for those who decide to upgrade into some of these other income streams that are inside the system. Now, I just want to give a brief overview of multiple income funnel and how it works, and then I'll get into the bonus part of this section of this video, okay? So, there are 4 streams of income inside of this system here. This is a funnel system. And the job of multiple income funnel is to do the selling and telling of the different income streams for you on your behalf so you don't have to. Okay, so this funnel system has everything you need to get started in affiliate marketing, especially if you're a beginner. This is a great funnel system to use to generate multiple streams of income. That's the whole purpose of this system. Now, what I have on my screen right here is the dashboard or the back office of multiple income funnel. Now, as you see here, there are 4 steps that you need to go through in order to complete setting up your system here. And these are very simple steps, so I'll go over them briefly. Step 1 is you just watch this 3-minute video, and it just gives you an overview of how multiple income funnel works and how to get started. And the only thing you have to do in step 1 is to join our private Facebook group. Now, it's important to join our private Facebook group because we have updates and announcements, and we also talk about the different contests that are going on with the multiple income funnel inside of that private Facebook group. We have a daily wake-up call Monday through Friday at 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time inside of the group. So you definitely want to join the private Facebook group. And if you ever have any questions or anything like that, you can post your question inside the group, and there will be plenty of people, including myself, willing to help you inside of the group. I answer people's questions every day inside that group, along with many other people too. So you'll always be able to get help. You can, if you join me in multiple income funnel, you can message me on Facebook Messenger, or you can send me an email. You'll get my contact information when you join me. Okay. Now, once you've joined the Facebook group, all you do is come back here to your dashboard and go to step 2. Now, this is where you set up your income streams. Now, I always say in my videos that these income streams are completely optional. You do not have to join them if you don't want to. You're automatically signed up in income stream number 1, which is multiple income funnel. The funnel system itself costs $49 per month. And when you bring somebody else into multiple income funnel and they use your affiliate link to purchase it, you're going to receive a $20 per month residual commission. And you'll receive that monthly commission month after month for as long as those people stay in the system. Okay? So you're already set up with this. So income stream number 1, all you do is watch this 44-second video, really short, and then put your username for multiple income funnel in this box. When you click the save button, you're going to get this message that says completed, you're all set up. Okay? So that's all you have to do for income stream number 1. Now, if all you want to do is promote the funnel system itself, then you're pretty much done with this step 2. But if you want to make bigger ticket commissions, multiple streams of income, then you want to go through the rest of the process of setting up these different income streams. And that is the whole purpose of the multiple income funnel, is to generate multiple streams of income for you. And not only that, but generate big ticket commissions. We're talking $100, $500, $250, $1,000, and more in commissions that you can possibly earn from these other income streams. Okay, so let's get to, once you put your username in here, you go to income stream number 2, which is Easy One Up. Easy One Up is a digital business educational platform. They have several different business educational packages. I think there's 6 of them that you can choose from to purchase, and the higher the product package that you purchase, the more advanced training you're going to receive. Okay, so And also, when you purchase one of the higher packages, not only do you get access to the information, to the videos in that particular package, but you get access to all of the packages below the one you purchased. Okay, and the thing I like about Easy One Up is that you can earn 100% instant commissions paid directly to you. And the reason for that is that you're getting the resale rights to the products that you purchase. So what the company does is that you pay a one-time payment for the product, whichever product level you purchase, and you pay a one-time payment to the company Easy One Up, and it's a small fee. It's usually around 10% of the purchase price. Okay, so if you buy a $250 product level, then your administration fee is going to be $25. Okay, so, and again, these are one-time payments. These are not monthly payments. So when you pay that administration fee along with the product price purchase, you're going to receive the resale rights, so you'll be able to resell the product and receive 100% of the sale price. Okay, now there's a lot more to the compensation plan, not that much, but it's a pretty simple compensation plan. You want to watch this 14-minute video that explains exactly what you're getting in these business educational products packages, and also how the compensation plan works. Okay, now once you've gone through this, you create an account with Easy One Up and you picked out a product to purchase. Once you've done that, you want to take your Easy One Up username and put it in this box here. Click the save button. You get this message: completed, you're all set up. The next income stream number 3 is TextBot. This is a text messaging service called AVA. AVA stands for Automated Virtual Assistant. Okay, and the job of AVA is to help you generate leads and sales for your business. It doesn't matter what the business is. You can use it for multiple income funnel. You can use it for whatever business opportunity you're in. If you have an offline business, you can use it for that. There are people who are distributors of TextBot, and what they do is that they promote TextBot to offline businesses, small businesses. They can use it to generate leads or to keep in touch with their customers using AVA. Okay, now with this one, again, it's a one-time payment for this. They do have an annual reseller license fee, which is $50. Okay, so the TextBot itself is a one-time payment of $100. That's it. So you're coming out of pocket $150 from the beginning there. Okay, and then you pay the $50 reseller license every year. Okay, so that's basically it with income stream number 3. You receive 100% instant commissions paid directly to you when someone you bring into TextBot using your affiliate link purchases TextBot itself. You get that $100 commission. Okay, so there's a little bit more to the compensation plan. You want to watch this 3-minute video going over how TextBot works, how the compensation plan works, and I think there's another button here that will take you to a video that will demonstrate exactly how the TextBot AVA works. But once you've purchased TextBot, create your account, you want to put your TextBot username over here in this box and click the save button. Income stream number 4 is the lifeblood of this funnel system, the traffic from Traffic Authority. Now, a lot of new people in affiliate marketing, they don't know where to go to get people to see their offer. Okay, they don't know where to go, and this is where you go. Traffic Authority is already provided for. The traffic is already provided for you, and if you don't know what traffic is just getting people to your affiliate link. That's all it is. Getting people to your affiliate link. That's traffic. So what they do, Traffic Authority has several different traffic packages you can choose from based on your budget that you can choose to purchase. And what they're going to do is they're going to send clicks, in other words, people to your affiliate link for multiple income funnel. Now, where do you get these affiliate links? is right here under the links tab on your dashboard. That's where you're going to find your affiliate links. So you just give your affiliate link to Traffic Authority and purchase that traffic package, whichever one you want to purchase, and then they'll start sending clicks to your affiliate link. And they stagger out the clicks, so you're not going to get the clicks all at once or over a couple of days. It's going to take maybe up to 14, 21 days to get all of your clicks fulfilled, okay? And they do this for several reasons, all right? Now, what you want to do is watch this 12.5-minute video going over Traffic Authority and how it works, and also going over the compensation plan for Traffic Authority, because you can make some pretty decent commissions using having people buy traffic from Traffic Authority using your Traffic Authority affiliate link. Okay, so once you have your Traffic Authority's account set up, there is a $20 monthly reseller fee. Okay, you have to pay this if you want to become an affiliate for Traffic Authority. So it's $20 per month to be a reseller of the traffic for Traffic Authority. Once you have your account set up, all you have to do is put your username in the box here and click the Save button. Now, once you've done all that, you have all of your income streams set up. And again, I want to stress that if you want to make big ticket commissions, talking $100, $200, $500, $1,000, even $3,000 commissions, your best bet is to get in all of these income streams to the highest levels that you can, okay? Don't go into debt. Don't break the bank to do that, okay? If all you can afford is the first income stream, okay, that's fine, all right? Just promote this income stream. If you can only promote the lowest level of Easy 1-Up, if you can only come in at the lowest level of Easy 1-Up and Traffic Authority, that's fine too. Okay, get in where you can, but if you have the resources, the money to get in at a higher level, I highly advise you to do that so you don't miss out on those big ticket commissions. Okay, this is the whole purpose of multiple income funnel, to generate multiple streams of income for you, and also those big ticket commissions. Okay, now once you've set up your system here, you want to go to step 3 to set up your e-wallets. Now, you're going to need 2 e-wallets, and this 3-minute video is going to show you how to set those up. The reason you need 2 e-wallets is because these e-wallets are for 2 different systems, the multiple income funnel itself and for Traffic Authority. Since they're separate platforms, you're going to need separate e-wallets for both of them. So this video will show you how to set those up. Next, you go to step 4. This is the back office tour, which will go over all of these different links on your dashboard and how everything works and how you can start generating traffic to your affiliate link. So this is a 10-minute video. Make sure you watch that. Now, I'm not going to go over all of these links back here. I just want to go over the resources tab. Once you set up everything and you buy your first traffic package from Traffic Authority, I want you to go to Resources tab and then to the Training tab. You want to start here at the 7 Steps to Success with Myth. Now, this will help you get yourself up and running in your new business, and it also teach you how to be successful in your new business, okay? It goes over several different topics, working on you, which is like developing your mindset. There's a lesson on traffic, how to follow up with your leads. If you may be limited on your funds when it comes to buying traffic, you can generate traffic from free methods. So there's some training here on free methods of generating traffic, making YouTube videos, using your Facebook profile to generate traffic to your affiliate link. There's a lesson on time blocking. And this lesson number 7, there's information about an undisclosed bonus where if you sign up 3 people in your first month of multiple income funnel, you will receive 500 free clicks from Traffic Authority. So you definitely want to check out this video, Lesson 7, Launch and Bonus, to get more details about that. Going back to the training here, we have weekly training calls, Zoom training calls every Monday at 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Okay, and all of the recordings of these live trainings are in the back office. We just had one yesterday. Today's the 14th. Yesterday was the 13th. We just had one yesterday. All of these trainings back here are just jam-packed with great information on how to generate traffic, how to generate leads, and how to follow up with your leads and generate sales. Okay, there's a training right here from May 31st on Facebook and social media marketing. For those who may not have the money to buy traffic, you definitely want to check out this training right here. Okay, so I'm not going to go too much more in depth about multiple income funnel. I have other videos on my channel going into greater detail about it. You could check those out by subscribing to my channel. Just click the subscribe button below this video. And also click the bell icon if you want notifications for when I make a new video. Now let me talk about some bonuses I have available for those who join me in Multiple Income Funnel. What I have done is that for anyone who joins me in Multiple Income Funnel, I have a bonus page here. Okay, this is my bonus getting started page, and on here, as you can see, I'm constantly adding more bonuses to this page, so you'll want to bookmark this page so you can come back to it. Okay, I have a getting started video here, and this I go into more detail on how to be successful with multiple income funnel. What's the best strategy for you to take with multiple income funnel? So it's going to be in this video. I'm in the process of updating this video, so you may see the updated version of this video when you join. Okay, next I have the training schedules that I talked about earlier. I have the training schedules here, and I also have this free bonus traffic from me. Okay, so when you set up your income streams and you get to income stream number 2, which is Easy 1-Up, I have a bonus there for those who join at certain levels in Easy 1-Up. Okay, so you definitely want to check out this video right here. Now below, I'm not going to scroll down anymore because I don't want to reveal all of the bonuses, but I do have another bonus on an additional traffic source that I use in order to generate leads and sales. Okay, and I do plan on adding other traffic sources, and these are like more affordable traffic sources that you can use, but do not do not discount Traffic Authority. I buy Traffic Authority traffic. I buy it at least once or twice a month, and then I use my other traffic sources also throughout the month. Okay, so I do a combination of both, and of course I also use a free traffic method, which is making these YouTube videos. So if you're ready to get started with multiple income funnel, go ahead and click the very first link below this video in the description area. Again, I want to thank you for watching this video on the multiple income funnel review and update. Talk to you soon.